Hey y'all, it's me, your best friend Ben. I regret to inform you all that the official best friend Ben TikTok, best friend Ben 2401, has been banned because I broke some unfair and strict company policies that were never ever mentioned to me. Yeah, bullcrap. The reason I'm making this video is to inform the ones who are fans of that TikTok, which last Friday I was at a football game and a lot of you guys came up to me and said you're a fan of only my YouTube, but my TikTok, which is hurtful, that's gone now. Really hurtful, and it sucks a lot. But no worries. Of course, I have a backup plan. I made a new TikTok called just simply called Best Friend Ben. I'll leave a link to it down to it in the description, along with all my other social media accounts. And just it sucks a lot. I get that. I'm Mr. Beast. Alright, that's the video. I know it's short. This is to inform all of you. And also, if you weren't already following the Best Friend Ben TikTok, go follow the new one, along with my Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, Reddit, and Twitch, and also join my Discord server. Yeah. Anyways, bye y'all. It was me, your best friend Ben, and I once again deeply apologize. Go follow the new one. Bye.